Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Whether you're a competitive esports player, a casual weekend adventurer, or a content creator who needs raw power under the hood, 2025 has brought us some absolutely mind-blowing gaming laptops. From razor-thin OLED beasts to desktop-grade performance machines, we've tested and compared them all to bring you the top 5 best gaming laptops of 2025. Let's jump in and find out which one is your ultimate portable powerhouse. This machine is the perfect fusion of power, build quality, and modern design. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9 features up to an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 or 4090 GPU. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077 at ultra settings or multitasking with streaming and video editing, this laptop doesn't even flinch. What truly sets it apart is its sleek chassis, surprisingly slim for the power it packs, alongside a 16-inch QHD+ 240Hz display with full DCI-P3 coverage. That means ultra-smooth motion and jaw-dropping color vibrancy. It's built for both gamers and creators. The RGB keyboard feels premium, with per-key lighting and tactile switches. With support for Thunderbolt 4, 4 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and fast storage options, up to 2 TB SSD and 32 GB RAM. This is a beast that's also incredibly versatile. The only downside? It's a bit heavier than average. But with this level of power and a display that punches above its weight, it's a top pick for serious users in 2025. Don't let the word budget fool you. This machine punches well above its weight class. The ASUS TUF A15 is equipped with up to an AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and RTX 4070 GPU, making it capable of playing modern AAA games like Elden Ring or Horizon Forbidden West at solid frame rates, even at 1080p high or QHD medium settings. This model features a 15.6-inch 1080p display with a 144Hz refresh rate, and the colors are surprisingly decent for this price range. The construction is solid, with a metal lid and ML STD 818H durability certification, meaning it's tough enough for travel and daily use. Its cooling system is impressive too. In turbo mode, fans kick up the performance significantly without excessive noise. And with a full-size keyboard and a good port selection, it's ready for gaming, streaming, and productivity alike. If you're a college student or first-time gamer looking for the best bang for your buck, this one's a no-brainer. Small yet mighty, the Zephyrus G14 packs incredible performance into an ultra-portable, stylish form factor. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS and up to an NVIDIA RTX 4070, it's ideal for gamers on the go who don't want to compromise on power. But the crown jewel here, a breathtaking 14-inch QHD+ OLED display. It offers rich contrast, deep blacks, and vivid colors that make everything from games to Netflix look spectacular. Plus, the new CNC milled aluminum chassis gives it a premium MacBook-like feel. Despite its compact size, the laptop offers excellent thermals, strong battery life, and a generous set of ports, including USB 4, HDMI 2.1, and microSD. It's not meant to be a desktop replacement, but if you travel often and want something stylish, powerful, and capable of triple-digit FPS gaming, this is your dream machine. If Apple designed a gaming laptop, it would look like this. The Razer Blade 16 2025 combines luxury, performance, and the best screen ever tested on a gaming laptop. We're talking about a 16-inch 240Hz OLED display at 1600p resolution, stunning color depth, and buttery smooth visuals. Inside, you'll find up to an AMD Ryzen AI9 processor and an RTX 5090 GPU. Yes, the top-of-the-line NVIDIA chip. While native frame rates don't see a massive leap over the RTX 4090, once DLSS 3 and frame generation come into play, it's easily hitting over 100 FPS on ultra settings. Build quality is superb, with a CNC milled aluminum body, ultra-responsive keyboard with deeper key travel, and improved thermals over previous generations. It's pricey, yes, but if you want the best display, excellent battery life, and a machine that turns heads, this is it. This monster is made for those who want desktop power in a portable form. The Alienware M18 is gigantic, heavy, and not very travel-friendly, but it makes up for it by delivering one of the best gaming experiences possible. With up to an Intel i9-13980HX CPU and an RTX 4090 GPU, this thing demolishes benchmarks. The 18-inch QHD+ 165Hz screen is immersive, and the overall design is very gamer-friendly, with rear-facing ports and a full-size keyboard including a number pad. Even the lower RTX 4080 configs offer incredible value here, starting under $2,000. While the display brightness isn't the best and it's a tank to carry around, if you're setting up a command center at home and want raw power, the Alienware M18 is your go-to war machine. So, there you have it, 5 of the absolute best gaming laptops of 2025, each tailored for different needs and budgets. Whether you're after ultra portability, unbeatable performance, or a balance between the two, there's a laptop here that's perfect for your setup. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the best in tech reviews. Game on and stay powerful.